The complete machine is closed. Hands cannot go in the sealing area. When doors open, machine will stop and warn. Hands cannot go in the sealing area. Hands cannot touch the film loading area. Motor protect case. Big enclosure covering the counting balls. Doors can be opened. When open front door, need to move out the packaging main machine. Open front door to do the setting. Materials filling entrance. 2 entrances for both counting balls. Can fill materials without opening the doors.